Hi guys, I'm Diamond. I'm going to show you guys how to make this really awesome fortune teller glow, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need for your fortune teller glow is this empty snow globe. I purchased this, I believe it was either AC Moore or Michaels. So what this is, it's literally a snow globe. It's like a DIY snow globe. You can go pick it up from your local craft store. You can always look it up on Amazon as well. So the reason why you want this is because it has this protective layer that kind of seals all the water in, so you're able to turn it over and cap it so the water will not leak out. And other than that, it's super simple. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to make this one glow in the black light. So I haven't tried this before, so we shall see. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bunch of different glitters and pigments to it, just because that's going to do is give it that nice effect when you shake it up and you want to do your photo shoot or use it as a prop or whatever. It's just going to give it that nice effect and dimension all throughout it. So it doesn't have to be anything in particular. I'm just using some cosmetic glitters, some of my favorite cosmetic glitters. These are from Danessa Myricks Beauty. And then this one is just a craft glitter that is from Martha Stewart that I picked up from the craft store. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a very finely milled illuminator. So this one is called Synergy by Danessa Myricks. It's like a duochrome color. I'm going to add a bit of that in there. So I'm literally just kind of winging it. It's like a duochrome, so that'll give it that nice effect. The next color I have is Daydreaming, which is another amazing pigment. It's another like duochrome color. It's like that. I feel like that'll give it a nice vibe. So I'm gonna pop a little bit of that in there as well, like just a couple of shakes. And then I'm gonna add my glitters. So that's about how much pigment I have in there. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to add your water. I don't know exactly how much this needs, but I have 1 cup of water right here. And okay, so that's 1 cup. It's going to need a little bit more than that. Some of this, the Mayron, it's faded away, but this is some blacklight body paint. I'm hoping that this will work. I'm going to add this in here. So I'm just going to kind of like pour some in there. Wow, it's giving it a really cool effect. Even if it doesn't work, it looks pretty cool. I want to put a good amount in there because I really am hoping that it's going to work. So you're just gonna squeeze that guy back on there and then put the cap on. And then you want to shake it up so you mix all the content in there. And then you end up with something like this. There it is. It glows in the black light. So it looks pretty awesome.